Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Today I'm trying to cook tilapia fillet. Here you go, tilapia fillet. The way I'm going to cook tilapia fillet, at first I put salt. You see this? Not too salty, just put like this and put mixing everything later on. And then I already cut the lime. Can also use this one. Gonna be, I use the lime, not lemon, so it's the same actually, the taste, but this one better for tilapia. Okay, so and then I mix it. Wait like a 10 minutes, and then 10 minutes, then you can, now you can also use your hand like this. Actually, when you cook in the kitchen, you wash your hand, everything, and that will be nice. You touch this one, it's for yourself, it's not for other. So if even in the restaurant they use that way. After you put the salt and also the lime, and you just stay there just for 10 minutes, and then before you already cut. So what do we have to to put for this tilapia fillet? First, I cut today shallots, small, and I cut tomato, and also I cut jalapeno. Just I put a little bit, just half of the small jalapeno, like like this. And I'm gonna put this here first. So I use little jalapeno like this, and then also chili pepper, like because I like chili pepper, and I already cut them. I put like 2 pieces like this, and then also tomato, like I say, shallots, and then you cut that small, and everything here together already. And then you cut also lime already. This is later when you finish cook, and then we eat like that also. Then I put this one. This is a sweet soy sauce. So I put this because the cooking is very short, not that long. More. So I'm mixing it. You can mix in all of them now. Tomato, because this is sweet, so I call this cooking is a sweet spicy tilapia fillet. Sweet spicy tilapia fillet. It's gonna be tasty later. Alright, so is this the lime? Okay, and later also I'm gonna cook the baby broccoli. Baby broccoli, that's for like vegetables for us, and we're going to eat with rice. Okay, and also I'm going to fry that tilapia fillet with the olive oil. Well, when you cook like this, fry a little bit, you just put say 3 tablespoons olive oil. And also because it's better, so have to have the cover like this, so cover like this. I can put them 2 of them at the same time. Okay. Then need to use a lot olive oil, just enough to 3 tablespoons to do that. So it will be okay. Alright, so this one it takes sometimes like a 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. I'll flip it and then I'll show you later the result. Really brown, look nice, smells so good. Smells so good. Oh my God. Look, let's close again. Takes another like 5 minutes and I can take it. Alright, this is already done. I'm gonna turn off the stove and just put it here and take this. See, already done. Yeah, broke some of them. It happens sometimes, but you can have it. It's good actually. Looks like that. Okay, friends, family, the tilapia fried fish already done. So I'm gonna put this here after we mixing today. After we mixing all that condiment. But before that, actually, I'm gonna say something. This is the sweet soy sauce. Sweet soy sauce. You can go to Asian store. You can find like this. Okay, and then again I use lime, 1 tomato, and shallots you cut just like that, and chili pepper and a little bit jalapeno will be good. And I already cut the lime, so I'm gonna put this on the top. The reason I put actually on the top, so they soak the sweetness and spiciness, so it become blend both spicy and sweet, and that's why so we put all of them like this. That will be tasty. And again, I'm ready now to cook my vegetables, and then after that I'm gonna put together. Okay, I just put a little bit salt and already boiled. You can put the baby broccoli. This is only 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes or 3 minutes. So the vegetables is done now. So I take it out. See, looks so nice. Take off everything. Okay. Nice, right? Okay. Alright, my friends and family, I finished already cooked the tilapia fillet. And this is, like I said, this is sweet spicy tilapia fillet. This is really nice. Now I'm gonna put this on the top of the rice. You can cut some of them. I already cut one already, like this. And use some of the spicy one. That will be nice. I like jalapeno and shallots and chili pepper. So put a lot. And then you can also use the vegetables. Like I said, this baby broccoli. Yeah. Then when you do like this, basically, your appetite will come, and it's really nice to have like this for 2 people or 3 people. And then when you finish, you have the fruits, strawberries, and blueberries. So you have all the things you are going to cook with tilapia fillet. And just the way like I cook it over there, you fry it a little bit and it will be tasty. Let me try, okay? The cameraman will, since he wants to eat later, we're gonna try. It's gonna be spicy. spicy and tasty. And the sweetness and the sweetness match with the spiciness. It becomes so blend together, and I don't need to put salt anymore because the in the sweet soy sauce there's also a little bit salt over there, so it's tasty, perfect. And you would like this, you know. Mmm. They're all blend together. It's so tasty. I'm sorry.